Angela Giampolo on the line? Angela?
Yep, I'm here.
Hi, Angela. So have you had a chance to absorb any more of this? I know that your practice focuses on gay and LGBT civil rights, so this is the biggest civil right of all.
It really is.
Your response.
Well, like we were saying about the opinion, it's clearer now that not only based on the 14th Amendment, but that LGBT individuals, their fundamental rights are being respected through equal protection. Now what we need to figure out, and no one's been reporting on it yet, is will the level of scrutiny be raised? Will we join the ranks of women and African American and ageism and what have you? Will LGBT rights be lifted up to the next class?
All right, I want to ask our audience listening right now, 866 Geraldo, I'd like your reaction to what the Supreme Court has done here. Hillary Clinton has just tweeted out, proud to celebrate a historic victory for marriage equality and the courage and determination of LGBT Americans who made it possible. She signs it H. So, Angela, how will this in some ways dull the impetus of the LGBT community to vote, to get involved in politics? Why bother now? Your issue is resolved.
I mean, honestly, Geraldo, I think this is the beginning of the next wave of litigation. Heard you say earlier about, now what are Republicans going to talk about? They're going to have to change the issue. Absolutely not. Conservatives are like that boardwalk game, whack-a-mole. Every time I feel like we hit them down in one area, they pop up somewhere else. And you have the governor of Louisiana who wants to run for president, who is trying to pass the Marriage Conscience Act. So fine, if Louisiana must recognize gay marriage, which now they must, the new wave of litigation or laws that are going to be brought forth is sort of going to be RFRA, but with the marriage slant. Again, totally my opinion. I don't know, but I really think the next 30 years of litigation is going to be around First Amendment. And now, where do we draw the line between your religious right?
Are you talking about the wedding cake baker now? Or are you talking about, is that the issue, that they won't bake the cake for the gay wedding?
Right. So that's RFRA. That's the Religious Freedom Restoration Act. But the governor of Louisiana created what's called the Marriage Conscience Act, which is basically a hybrid of the religious restoration, using RFRA, but specifically to marriage, knowing that this day was going to come. We all knew it would be today. Today's a trifecta. June 26th is like, a gay day. It should be declared nationally. Lawrence v. Texas, the anti-sodomy case was decided by Kennedy on June 26th. Edie Windsor v. United States was decided on June 26th, also authored and penned by Kennedy. So we knew, even though Monday was an option, every gay person today is like the new gay day. But there has never, ever been a case litigated around LGBT rights vis-a-vis your First Amendment right to think that I'm going to hell.
I got you. That's the wedding cake baker case. I'm more of a 420 man myself. But 626 is fine, and I appreciate it, Angela. Good luck to you, and congratulations.
Thank you, Geraldo. Thank you.
All
Bye,
right,
guys.
so ladies and gentlemen, how do you feel about 866 Geraldo, 866-437-2536? I'll take one before the break, and then let's go.